Hey, welcome to the Land of Ooh, and today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this super quick, super easy, super sexy hairstyle. And let's just hop into it. Okay, so last night I moisturized my hair with these products because they know how to do what needs to be done for my hair to lay down the wavest, and I braided them up, so now I'm unbraiding them. Then I used this medium-ish tipped comb to rough draft my part from a deep side part to the opposite ear. After my outline, I put braiding gel or edge control, whichever paste you have, to coat the part so the part can be the cleanest as possible. And I clean it up with my trusty rat tail comb. My parts are always crispy when I use this pair. Really should hop on. To avoid the flyaways creeping back, I paste it down. And also, I'm looking into two opposing mirrors like I did in my mini braids tutorial and always do when I part on myself. Onto the butter of the style. I'm parting these zigzags looking into my filming monitor so I can show you, and I'm sure you're not using a filming monitor, so just keep looking into two opposing mirrors. If you care about DIY parts like I do, keep alternating from parting with the rat tail comb, coating the section with the paste, and going over it again with the comb. You may need some geometrical skills to do this, but I think it's worth it. Let me tell you a secret. The key to any successful sleek down on thick and dense natural hair is working in sections. So that's what I'm doing here. Putting the braiding gel on the section and brushing my hair in the direction of the parts with the hard brush, if that makes sense. And let me tell y'all, bump edge control. Use braiding gel, probably this one, and you'll get the hold that'll last. We're in the home stretch. Look at the sleekage on that top section. It would take tubs of edge control for me to do this, and trust me, I'm speaking from experience. So just use braiding gel. Once I've placed the hair how I want it, I'll tie it all together and do the same on the other side. get to the top, I bring the Eco out. I use argan, it's my favorite, and I work it from the bottom to the top. Then I just do the same thing with putting the paste and then brushing it down. Since the top is usually the hardest part for a slick back, you really gotta work in sections and make them as small as you need to. If your hair is denser than mine, use more sections. If it's less dense, then you can probably get away with just 3, but I use about 5. And the reason I add Eco to the section is because at this point, most of my hair is gonna be needing to be slicked down, not just my roots, and the Eco just makes that easier. Take down the hair tie for the last time and smooth my swoop how I want it with a hard and a soft brush. And then I go in with details with my fine tooth comb and regular edge control. I wouldn't use the braiding gel for edges, it's not its department, but it's good at everything else. I did a lot of work on this part, so I'm gonna make sure you can see it, and my swoop isn't covering it. So I just use a bobby pin, push it in the right direction. Y'all can't even see. Spray some shine on it, tie it down, and ta-da!
You know, it's hard for a player to admit that sometimes.
You can really leave it banded up like this. It's cute. Or you could take it down and define the curls. Y'all, this thing is the truth. I'm telling y'all, I have never had curls so defined. I wish I found this product earlier in the game. And you can leave it looking like 2 curly puffs, or you can do what I did for this look and wrap it around itself to make a bun. And you know, leave some hair strangling out. It's cute like that. But for whichever one you choose, don't forget to add some accessories to it. Let's put these on.
See, I'm a crip in dark blue chucks, and I does what I does. Yeah, I might say good. It's really weird because I got love. Snoop Dogg's
I hope this made you feel just as cute as it made me feel. Purr, I feel like the cutest thing I ever saw. Purr. But whenever you decide to use this hairstyle, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see some more styles like this, they're on the way. Suggest some. And until next time, bye.
She used to hit them licks with the visas. When I seen her with the homies, I was like, Jesus. It's been a little minute since I've seen her. Hope I'm in a run up cause I have to pull the Nina.
Yes, sir, that's her. But it wasn't like that back when I met her. The lavish life from all the dough spun. Before the double R had to hitchhike them. Her friends didn't like dudes